Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Anashwara and I make beauty and lifestyle related videos here on my channel. And now that you're here, please stay back, watch the whole video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So as you guys can already see from the title, today's video is going to be about my hair. Well, not my hair, but curly hair in general. So today I'm going to talk about the curly girl method. So I recently started putting up some pictures and stories and some little videos of me flaunting my curly hair and writing about the curly girl method. So a lot of messages I received of people asking me about what curly girl method is, how you're doing it, what products you're using, and they were just curious on how I transform my hair from looking weird to this. I mean, it's still very dry and frizzy, but curly, and keeping it curly, or keeping your shape and keeping the shape intact, the curls intact, which is very difficult even for me. Like, once I put it up in a bun, it's gone, the shape is gone, I don't have those curls anymore. So I started following the curly girl method. I think it's been like 7-8 months now. Yeah, I'm still pretty new to this, I don't know everything. So yeah, I'll try to explain what I know and what I do with my hair and what products I use and what you should do and you should not do. So yeah, if you want to know, please keep on watching. And also, if you're curious about this look, I have a tutorial already on my Instagram, so do check that out. And while you're there, please also follow me. My handle will be here somewhere, so just go check that out. And you can also find a link to my Instagram in my description box, so do check that out as well. Curly hair is a whole different category, and everything you do to it is very different. So if you're new to this, I am here for you. We will get through this journey together. It is a bit time consuming. It may look a lot at first, but trust me, it's worth it. Your hair will thank you. Trust me. No. So let's start with what curly girl method is, or what is CGM. Well, curly girl method is a method which is specifically designed for wavy or curly hair people. So there's a lot to learn about the curly girl method, and I don't know most of it. So I will link a lot of articles down in the description box below. So that would be very helpful for you guys. So do check those out. Now there are a lot of do's and don'ts in the curly girl method. So let's start with the do's. So to start with, your products, your shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, everything you're putting on your hair should be curly girl friendly. Now curly girl friendly means sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free. Now another thing you need to keep in mind is you are only supposed to brush your hair while it is soaking wet. Preferably when you have like a deep conditioner or a conditioner on your hair, that's when you are supposed to brush out your hair, detangle it, and whatever you're doing, just do it when your hair is soaking wet. Don't dry brush your hair, don't dry style your hair. If you want to keep your natural curly hair and want to protect those curls, and you want your curls to be intact, you are only supposed to style your hair while it's wet. You are only supposed to brush it while it's super wet. So you can also style your hair while it's damp. It actually depends on the type of hair you have. Some people like to damp style their hair and some people like to wet style their hair. I personally do wet styling because I'm in shower doing all these things anyway, so I'll just style it then and there only, and just I'm done. So the third point in the do's is deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is very, very important for the curly girl method. It kind of gives you that moisture and that bounce and that softness and shiny hair. So deep conditioning is very important. It really, really helps your curls to give them that softness, and it helps to retain its shape, and it also helps in detangling your hair, and it kind of keeps your hair detangled. So please make sure to deep condition your hair at least once a week. I do it every time I wash my hair, which is most of the time once a week. So yeah. Another do's is scrunching your hair. Okay, scrunching is like, let me show this. When your hair is soaking wet while you're applying products, first you rake. Rake means you put your finger like this and distribute the products with the help of your fingers. That's raking. Scrunching is while when you're done with raking, the product is evenly distributed. Now you want your hair to just take the shape you want, and here, because our hair is naturally curly, we want it to take the curls. So because of the raking, some of the hair just fall loose. So what you do is you take the ends while it's soaking wet, preferably when you're in a shower. Just take the ends and go like this, and pulse. Like, you should hear that kach voice because of that water. So this process is called scrunching, and scrunching is very, very important. So now that we know what the do's are, let's get to the don'ts. So the don'ts, first and very, very important don't is don't use heat. No heat, no heat at all. Like, you do not want to apply heat to your hair, any kind of heat. No, it's a big no straightening, no curling, nothing. No heat matlab no heat. You are not supposed to use any kind of heat to your hair. It is very, very damaging, and it is not good for your hair. Like, it's heat, you're putting heat on your hair. How is it good? It's not good. Okay, no straightening, no curling, no hair drying as well. Just let it air dry its hair. Second, don't. Do not dry brush your hair. Dry brushing the hair is just a big no. Okay, while you're dry brushing, you're only just sabotaging all you have just done to your hair in the shower. You styled it, you detangled it, you did everything you wanted to do. Just let it be, let it air dry, and it will look beautiful, trust me. So do not use a comb, do not use a brush, do not even finger comb your hair. Okay, just let it be. Don't number 3 is do not dry style your hair. Styling your hair, putting any kind of product, do it in the shower. If you're putting leave-in conditioner, in the shower. If you're putting any kind of curl cream, in the shower. If you're putting any kind of gel, put it in your hair when it is super wet or it's damp. Don't put any kind of styling product or any kind of products or do anything to your hair while it's dry, because it's done. Okay, dry curly hair is done. Like, it is what it is. It is in its natural form. You can't style it anymore. So just let it be while it's dry. Okay, don't try to style your hair. If you want to style your hair and do not want to shower, what you can do is take a spray bottle like this, just spray a little bit of water, maybe take some product like a leave-in conditioner or a curl cream or a gel, whatever it is, just scrunch. That's it. Okay, otherwise you are not supposed to dry style your hair, you are not supposed to dry comb your hair. Okay, now in a curly girl method there are a lot of products used. Don't get scared by this, because not all these products are actually needed. You can only use what you want to use basically, As you can see, today I have not used any kind of styling products. I just shampooed my hair and then, you know, put some conditioner, and that's it. Yeah, this is how my hair looks without any kind of styling product. No deep conditioning, no curl cream, no gel, nothing. See? I think it looks pretty good. It is a little dry and a little frizzy, but it's okay, I believe. Like, there is no product. So now that all of that is out there, let me tell you what I do, what kind of products I used. There are a lot of methods. Okay, let me just come out and say this. There are a lot of methods. There are 100 methods to do this curly girl method, and you don't need to follow everything. You just need to find that one or two methods that work for you or your hair. You know, trial and error. That's the only way. Even for products also, there are a lot of products out there, and not everything will work for your hair. So that also you can only find with trial and error. I get in my shower. The first thing I do is I'll just shampoo my hair. Not my hair, like shampoo my scalp. The shampoo I use is from Wow. It is the coconut milk shampoo. It has no paraben, no sulfate, no silicones, no color. So this is a curly girl friendly product. And the second step for me is deep conditioning, and I use this hair mask from Wow. It's their wheat and soy amino acids Moroccan argan oil hair mask. So this is the deep conditioner I use. So I put it on the length of my hair and I just leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. So while the deep conditioner is in my hair, I will start, you know, washing my body and doing whatever I do. And after like 4 or 5 minutes, I'll start brushing my hair or combing my hair. I use this white tooth comb. This I got from a store in Indore. I will start from the bottom, obviously, and then work my way up. So I'll just detangle my hair completely, and this way the deep conditioner also kind of distributes to your hair very evenly. And then I let it sit for like 10 minutes, and after that I'll rinse it off. So after that I will use this Wow. Okay, this is the hair conditioner with organic virgin coconut oil and avocado oil. So this is the conditioner I use as the leave-in conditioner. Yes, I use a conditioner as a leave-in conditioner. This also has no parabens, no silicones, and no mineral oil. So yeah, this is also curly friendly. So I'll take a little bit of this, take a little bit of water, really, you know, emulsify it and just, you know, rake it through my hair, and also use a comb to distribute it evenly, and then really scrunch my hair. So after putting on this conditioner as my leave-in conditioner, I will use this curl defining cream. This is from Curl Up. It also comes with a shampoo and conditioner, but I did not buy it. I just wanted a curl defining cream, and I've heard good things about it, so I got it. I do not use this all the time because I don't want to like use this up first thing, and I don't think it does a lot. So I just wanted to try it out, so I got this. So sometimes I use this after that conditioner, which I use as leave-in conditioner. So I will use this. I will really distribute it all over my lengths and really scrunch my hair again. You know, basically curly girl method is a lot of scrunching. You need to do a lot of scrunching, and all this I am doing in the shower. Like, my hair is soaking wet. So after most of the time I will be done, or sometimes when I have my DIY flaxseed gel, I will use that. Now that I'll take like 2-3 pumps, and I will kind of apply it onto my hair with praying hands. And yeah, or I will just crunch with the gel on my hands. I will just scrunch my hair to keep my hair, to keep my curls intact. Yeah, these are the products I use. So today I did not use any of these products. I only used this shampoo and this conditioner. Now I used this shampoo, massaged it onto my scalp, washed it out, and then I used this conditioner. I kept it in my hair for like 10 minutes and I brushed my hair with this conditioner in it, and then I washed it off. I did not wash it completely out of my hair, like put a little bit of water on my hair and I really scrunched it. Some of it just rinsed off, and some of it was still in my hair, and I kind of wanted that because I was not going to use anything else on my hair. So guys, that was it for today's video. All the product links will be linked down below, so do make sure to check those out. I have also linked some very informative articles about the curly girl method, so you can read those to gain a lot more information, because obviously I don't know everything. Also follow me on my Instagram. I am super active there. My handle name is anashvara_a, so do check that out, and I will link my Instagram in the description box below. So if you already knew about the curly girl method and I missed something, please let me know in the comments down below. Also make sure to check out my previous videos. I will link them down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Till then, be safe, be kind, bye bye.